Hi, my name is Rishabh Darve. I am a student of Function Up School of Technology. Hope you are doing good. So today, as I am doing DSA in Java through LeetCode platform, practicing few problems, I was going through question, thought of sharing my solution with all of you. So, uh, welcome, I welcome you for this solution. So today I'm going to explain the lead code question number 26, and the name of the question is remove duplicates from sorted array. So whatever we break down from this question is that we have to remove duplicates from a sorted array when we break down the outline of this question. So the description of the question is given as we have been given an array, integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, and remove the duplicates in place such that each unique elements appear only once. So let's understand the first line of statement for this question. We have been given an array and the name of the array is nums. And we know the array is used to store elements as or anything, any data type it can store. It can be strings or it can be integers, but here it is an integer array and the name of the array is nums. It has been sorted in a non-decreasing order. So while understanding the non-decreasing order, we can say it is in ascending order. It is starting from a small number then going up to a large number. Then the next statement says remove the duplicates in place such that each unique elements appear only once. So you can see the problem statement given here is remove the duplicates in place. The meaning of in place here is whenever you found a duplicate number or duplicate integer in that array, you have to switch it to the next upcoming number in that array in place. So that's what it's all about saying in this question. The relative order of the element should be kept the same. So whenever you're returning the array, the relative order should be kept the same, whatever it is being given in the question. Then return the number of total unique elements in nums. Also, it wants us to return the total number of unique elements inside that nums array. Going through the question, consider the total number of unique elements nums to be k. So the total number of unique elements inside the nums, we have to take them as k to get accepted. And we have to follow the two things, change the array nums as that k elements of nums contains a unique element. So it is clearly saying us to change the array in such a way that it's only constrain the unique element and in order of in place were present in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. Let's understand this question with the help of example. We have been given a nums array and the elements inside the num is 1, 1, 2. Output 2 has been given here. So let's understand how 2 output has been given. So as you can see, when you will observing through the first array, 3 elements have been given 1, 1, and 2. And the first 2 elements 1 and 1 have been repeated. So they occurred twice. So these are not unique. So the first index of the array 1 is repeated. So we will in place switch it with the 2 and the total number of unique elements will be 2 and the nums array will be returned as this and the left behind will be converted into anything you want, but in the LeetCode it has been given as underscores. Similarly for the example 2. So let's talk about the solution for this question. So for the solution of this question, I have approached through my way, and if you would like it, you can continue with the solution. So already we have initialized a variable count. So the approach for this question is as follows. So at first I have initialized a variable count given the data type as integer and initialized it with 0. Then I have used a for loop where I have given the condition that it should not exceed the length of the array. And also have I checked the condition that if the coming element is similar or same with the next coming element of that array, then we will continue. If not, if the next element of the array is different, then we will update the value of count. So in this way, we can see that at first I have initialized a variable count with it and given it value as 0. Then I've used a for loop, initialized the variable 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Then if my I is nums dot length minus 1, if my I is less than nums dot length minus 1 and nums I double equal to nums I plus 1, then in this way, the element which we are checking is same as the next element, then we will continue, else the nums count if this condition will be true. How can I explain this? So let's say for this example, The first element is 1. So in the zeroth index, you will get the first element as 1. Then the next element will also the same. So in this way, when these two elements are same, we will continue with our approach. If this condition won't meet and we will get a different number, then we will proceed to the next number, and the else condition will be executed, and nums count will be the index nums I will be executed with that number, and count plus plus will be updated. So in this way, I have approached for this problem. At last, we will return the count. So the count variable which we have initialized will be updated once we will get the same number. So if we will get any of the duplicate in that array, we will continue, and if not, then we will update the count variable. So that's all for this question I have approached. So let's run my code. So the test cases have been accepted, and for my solution, now let's submit the code. So my code has been accepted, and this was the result processed by the LeetCode. So that's all for this question. Hope you like my solution. Thank you.